This Skil comes pre-assembled with an integrated accessory storage bag and a laminated MDF top. The self-contained structure provides storage for necessary parts like the fence and router bit. Included with this Skil is a guard, feather board, mitre gauge, and bit inserts, along with a tall fence with adjustable laminated MDF faces, dual feather boards, a starter pin and guard for support when routing curved work pieces, a bit height gauge for easier bit setup and cutting precision, and additional accessory storage compartments. This Skil has a quick-release router mount that attaches and detaches in seconds. An efficient folding design means the table comes pre-assembled with minimal setup needed and legs fold for storage. Stability plus convenience makes this a great router table for any DIY. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Accessory storage containers protect and store accessories with a router table. Number 2. This Skil comes in 2 containers and includes a quick clamp system. Number 3. 2 feather boards help guide workpiece for more accurate routing. Number 4. Bit height gauge helps simplify setup and improves the accuracy of cuts. Number 5. Starter pin and guard help support workpiece when routing curved edges. Number 6. Router mounting with easy bit changes and no leveling required. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.